guys, it's Joey here. I am doing a special unboxing for you. First of all, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new here, I do content that relates to planning, organizing, daily living, and also some teacher videos. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then I invite you to hit the subscribe button below, and that way you can continue to get more of my content. Okay, so I ordered, gosh, this Causebox. I think I ordered it way back in like May or beginning of June. Anyways, and so I wanted to kind of see what it was about. This is something that I've been interested in a while. All right, so let's open it up. This box is beautiful, by the way. All right, here is the inside of the box. Very, very pretty. It looks like this box might be reversible. I'll have to try that out and see if it is. Okay, so it says, good news, summer intro 2020 Causebox. It goes through and it talks about what Causebox is and why it's basically a company that I didn't mind to order from. And so then it just goes through this magazine and it talks about like what's in the box, what we stand for. So everything is artisan made, it's charitable, and then it's clean. So it's like cruelty free. The ingredients that they use are all natural and healthy. And then it just talks about the different places that they have gotten their products from. So yeah, this is a really good read. It says, our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. Let's open it up. So let's look at what we have. Samara is a luxe jewelry box with a minimalist design. All right, and it's 100% vegan leather. And then you open it up and it's got a polish cloth that comes inside of it. It has this removable insert that you can tuck in and out of it. And then the ring inserts. And then here it looks like they have for your necklaces or your bracelets. And then, of course, anything else smaller that you would want to tuck inside of there. Okay, so this is the first thing that I saw in the box. I'm just gonna keep pulling them out as I see them. This next thing, this bag is made from cornstarch, 100% recyclable and biodegradable. Are silicone stretch lids. Okay, so these silicone stretch lids are created to reduce plastic and food waste in the kitchen. They're reusable and they are leak-free. So that's kind of cool. So I guess I don't have anything down here to kind of show you, but they give you different sizes. So they have this really super small one. They have this one. They have the next size up. And then lastly, this one. So they have quite a few sizes for this one, which is kind of nice. I'm very excited about this, actually. My kids a lot of times will like half eat some of their food that's in our bowls or whatnot, and so they always want to save it, and I'm like, well, there's really no way to really cover that well, but this is nice. I like these. Let's see what the next one is. Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid. This is a hydrating serum. So this is 1.7 ounces, and it helps to moisturize and smooth any face lines. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'll tell you how it goes. All right, and this is another one. This is a facial cleansing sponge, and it's infused with French pink clay. And I gotta be honest, I don't know what that does for you, but I'm assuming it's great. I think it's to help with like your pores, to clean out your pores. All right, so that's to the side. Okay, this is what I was really excited about, you guys. This right here. I'm gonna open it up for you. It's the Megan Portfolio Clutch by the Glass Ladder and Company. So this is what I was really excited about. So it comes with this beautiful rose gold button on the front. When you open it up, it gives you two options, I guess just depending on how full you're filling it. And then when you open it up, it has each of these things. So to tuck in like your laptop, and then any items that you would need here, as well as a couple of pen loops and some card slots, and then 2 smaller pockets right here to go along with it, and then also this larger front pocket. But it does hold a 13-inch laptop, as well as like any of your pens or anything like that that you would need for working. I'm envisioning like my laptop's going in here, my charging cord is gonna go in here, and then able to tuck in maybe my SD card transfer. I will probably tuck in one of these pockets. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. It'll definitely be really nice to have a nice space for my laptop. And that's it, guys. This is pretty much everything that you get with the Causebox intro. So this is a $42 value. The silicone stretch lids are an $8 value. The hyaluronic acid by Grace and Stella is a $25 value. The Wild facial cleansing sponge is a $16 value. This one is $120 value. And I got this whole box. I believe I paid $50 total for all of these things. I'm really pleased with everything that came, and I think it's nice to have just a little fun box show up here and there, and it also kind of gives back to these communities. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like down below. Leave me a comment and tell me if you've ordered from Causebox before. I'd be interested in knowing that. And then also, if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Guys, I just wanted to jump back on here really quickly and show you that this box is reversible. So I absolutely loved the blue and the white so much more, and it took a little finagling, but I was able to just kind of pop out the sides. I would show you, but it's got my address label on the inside of it. But these 2 sides right here, they just pull out, and then you literally just flip it the other way, folding it and tucking in these corners, both the front and the back. And yeah, then it turns into this really pretty blue and white box. You can store this and keep all of your items in here, or keep, I don't know, you could use this for whatever, but I just think it's a really pretty box, and that is something that if you have a need for some storage boxes, this would be a really cute alternative for that, and you're reusing what you were sent, which is really nice. Alright, so I just wanted to pop on here and let you know that this is something that I did find. It was reversible and I'm loving it. So, alright, you guys have a great day. Bye.